Black Widow is designed to be extremely simple, reliable, and effective. Black Widow has a lot of advanced technologies packed into a very straightforward, reliable, easy-to-use system. It's meant to be effortless to operate, very simple to use in warfare environments. In terms of base performance, Black Widow has really long flight time and range. We have over 35 minutes of flight time, up to 10 kilometers of data link range. You're able to autonomously navigate without GPS to understand where you are as an operator, where the system is, as well as the location of targets, which opens up the opportunity for a lot of different use cases, even when GPS is being jammed. We designed the airframe so that the fuselage can withstand most impacts. It can be abused, it can be thrown around. It's not a fragile drone. It's really designed for the warfighter and for use in these really difficult conditions. And the whole system, just like our previous products, is fully modular. So every part on the drone is easily replaced in the field for either repairs or upgrades. Each of the arms on the airframe is very quickly swappable. So as soon as a propeller or an arm breaks, an operator can replace it in the field within seconds. So those things can be replaced very quickly along with the main payload, which slides in and out. It is very quickly replaceable or upgradable. And something really great about the Black Widow is its ability to support secondary payloads. The Black Widow is able to carry up to an additional kilogram of extra payload. And it's not only designed to carry that payload, but also interface with it. So we have an optional Picatinny rail that can be mounted on the bottom of the airframe that allows secondary payloads to quickly slide on and off. And then we have a dedicated power and communications port that allows you to talk to and power that payload. The hardware is very modular, but so is the software and its ability to be interoperable with other technologies and applications over time. On board the drone, we have a really powerful compute platform powered by a Qualcomm chip that allows AI to be run on board the platform at the edge. That also enables some of these advanced capabilities like vision-based navigation for GPS-denied navigation, obstacle avoidance, and so on. Some of the other capabilities of the Black Widow include IP53 for operation in rain, snow, dust storms, withstand heavy winds. So it's really designed to fly in any sort of environment. It's also fully cyber secure with encrypted communication and basically unhackable data link. And we even designed the internal components of the Black Widow to be modular. So we are going to support other radios and data links over time to keep up with the evolving requirements of electronic warfare. You know, at Teal, we recognize that technology is going to continue accelerating very quickly over the next few years. And so we've tried to design our platform to be very future-proof and very versatile.